Stop doing random skincare hacks. Here's the foolproof routine for glowing skin in just 1 week. Day 1, hydration is key. Drink lots of water and start with a gentle cleanser to wash away impurities. Day 2, exfoliate gently. Use a mild scrub to remove dead skin cells and reveal fresh, glowing skin. Day 3, moisturize like a pro. Pick a lightweight moisturizer for daytime and a richer one for nighttime. Day 4, sunscreen always. Protect your skin from UV rays with a broad-spectrum SPF. No excuses. Day 5, mask it up. Use a hydrating mask to give your skin a deep boost of moisture and nutrients. Day 6, treat yourself. Apply a serum packed with vitamin C and E to brighten and even out your complexion. Day 7, beauty sleep. Ensure you get a good night's sleep to help your skin repair and rejuvenate. Repeat this routine and watch your skin transform. Ready to shine like a star? Hit that like button and share your results in the comments below.